Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your Android system to boost your Android phone with the newest update. So in here, I have already on my Android phone, and to start updating your Android, you can go to the settings, and in here, you can just find this system update. You guys can see here, an update is available on my Android phone, and here this is the new version. So you can see the what is updated into the new system. For example, this is the Google security patch to improve system security. You can and the new system will optimize stability for a better user experience and optimize touchscreen sensitivity and others. You can also see this is the like the benefits of the new updates, and here you can just click on download and install to start updating your phone. So if you want to, you can also enable the auto download over Wi-Fi. Just click on enable. So it's now downloading. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.